Hey everyone! Today we're settling the debate once and for all, comparing coding and GPT in future. This is one of the most requested comparisons I've gotten, so let's break it down systematically. First, let me give you a quick overview of both options. Now let's compare them across several key criteria. Performance. Let me show you some real-world tests. Ease of use, from a user experience perspective. Cost. Here's the pricing breakdown. And features, let's look at what each one offers. When would you choose one over the other? Based on all of this testing and analysis, here's my verdict. The winner depends on your specific needs. If you're looking for X, go with option A. If you need Y, option B is your best bet. What's your experience been with these tools? Drop a comment and let me know which one you prefer and why. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you make a decision and subscribe for more tech comparisons and reviews. See you next time.